Okay, then stretch your both legs, raise your both hands, deep inhale, then exhale, bend forward, stretch your hands back. మీకు ఎంతవరకు వీలైతే అంతవరకు మోస్ట్లీ బెండ్ అయ్యే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. హోల్డ్ ఇన్ పొజిషన్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then slowly up, then raise your both hands, turn right, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Stretch your spinal, then hold in position, keep your hands straight. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then bend forward completely. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Then slowly up, then back bending, keep your lower back support, deep inhale, then exhale. 1 2 3 16 17 18 19 20. Relax. Okay, then complete stretch of both legs, then hold in position with elbow support. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Then slowly up, then slowly bend your both knees, raise your both hands. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then another side. Inhale up, then exhale down. Keep your hands up. Inhale, then exhale. 1 2 3 4 5 9 10. Relax, then stretch your both legs, then bend your knees. Keep your hands up, Namaskar position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Then relax, then keep your hands up, join your palms together, deep inhale, then exhale. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, then both legs together, Lock your both hands. Then rotate clockwise. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, stretch your both legs again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Just relax. Then come back to Malasana posture. Stretch your legs. Then bend your knees. Keep your back straight and neck straight. Take a normal breath. Close your eyes. Okay, relax. Then slowly up. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, just relax. Then full hand rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your legs shoulder level. Keep your hands straight. Then bend your knees. Straight posture. Hold in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then bend forward. Hold in position. 1, 2, 3. Slowly lift your both hands. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.